DNA pen holder. If you have a glossy magazine lying around the house, you could put it to good use by making an eco-friendly pen holder. Let me show you how to go about it. Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to identify the tools and materials needed to make a DNA pen holder. Make a DNA pen holder. The only tool that you would need to make a DNA pen holder is a pair of scissors. Next, let's see the materials that you will require to make the DNA pen holder. The materials are glossy magazine papers, glue, paper rolling stick, 2 pieces of cardboard measuring 3 by 3 inches. Now, let's see how to make a DNA pen holder. Step 1. Cut a sheet of magazine paper. Cut out a sheet of magazine paper from a glossy magazine. Step 2. Cut the paper in 2 parts. Now, fold and cut the paper in 2 parts vertically. Step 3. Make rolled magazine sticks. Take a rolling stick and place it at an angle at one corner as shown. Now, start rolling the paper with the stick. Glue it at the end and stick it as shown. Now pull out the paper rolling stick. Make 50 such rolled magazine sticks. Step 4. Cut the 4 corners of the 2 cardboard pieces. Cut the 4 corners of the 2 square pieces of cardboard measuring 3 by 3 inches as shown. Step 5. Stick 1 cardboard piece on the magazine paper and cut the magazine paper. Stick 1 cardboard piece in the center of the magazine paper measuring 4 inches by 4 inches. Cut the magazine paper in the corners as shown. Step 6. Stick the rolled magazine papers at each corner. Stick 4 rolled magazine papers at each corner as shown. Stick 1 more rolled magazine paper overlapping one of them. Step 7. Stick the 3 by 3 inches cardboard on the first cardboard. Now, stick the 3 by 3 inches cardboard on top of the first cardboard. Step 8. Overlap and stick the 3 by 3 inches magazine paper on the cardboard piece. Now, overlap the 3 by 3 inches magazine paper and stick it on the cardboard piece. Step 9. Build the basket by folding the rolled magazine sticks. Start with the 5th rolled magazine stick. Fold the rolled magazine sticks as shown. When the stick becomes short, keep attaching new sticks by applying a little glue. When you reach the desired height of the DNA pen holder, cut the excess magazine stick. Apply glue at the edge and overlap it with the next stick. Repeat this step till you reach the last stick. For the last stick, cut it to size and apply a little glue. Now cut off the excess part of it as shown. You could also paint the pen holder with varnish to make it waterproof. With that, we've come to the end of this session. Let's recall what we have learnt. We learned how to make a DNA pen holder. Let's review its basic steps. Step 1. Cut a sheet of magazine paper. Step 2. Cut the paper in two parts vertically. Step 3. Make rolled magazine sticks. Step 4. Cut the four corners of the two cardboard pieces. Step 5. Stick one cardboard piece on the magazine paper and cut the magazine paper. Step 6. Stick the rolled magazine papers at each corner. Step 7. Stick the 3 by 3 inches cardboard on the first cardboard. Step 8. Overlap and stick the 3 by 3 inches magazine paper on the cardboard piece. Step 9. Build the basket by folding the rolled magazine sticks. You have now learned how to make a DNA pen holder using glossy magazine paper.